Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare interactive brokers and LYNX. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about the account opening, also markets and products, like what they actually offer, and then I will talk about like what do I think about the design of applications. So let's start. The biggest difference between interactive brokers and LYNX are fees. So if you would go to LYNX and you would see fees by yourself, you can see it by yourself. US stock $5, UK stock 10.8, German stock 6.6, comparing to interactive brokers fees, which are much lower. You can see it, right? The US stock is $1 comparing to $5 on LYNX. So that's like, this is the first thing. ETFs and stocks are much more expensive. Now, if you see options, if you would want to trade options or Forex, again, it's much expensive more than interactive brokers. LYNX has 24 US stock index options and $2.4 per contract. Interactive brokers has 0.65 per contract. So again, much cheaper. Same with the Forex fees that are high. So I wouldn't recommend, based on fees, I wouldn't recommend going with the LYNX. Now, the fees of inactivity fee, it's also here in LYNX, and it's $5 per month, €5 per month, which is like huge. Interactive brokers has also fee, and how it works is like, if you have above $2,000 in interactive brokers, you're gonna pay 10 commission fee per month. If it's below 2,000, you're gonna pay $20, and if you have above 100,000, you're gonna pay no fee at all. Now also, if you would like to use, like if you want to get rid of the inactivity fee in interactive brokers, you need to register on TradeStation Global. And this is the way how you can get rid of it. Because, and how it works now. The TradeStation Global is like got parent company as interactive brokers, but it's without a fee. They have also their own trading platform that you can use, and I recommend checking it out if you want to go with the interactive brokers without the fee. You can see it by yourself here. Definitely check it out. Now, to continue, like markets and products, account opening of both of these is all right. You have the starting balance of €3,000 in LYNX that you need to put to invest, so that's like meh. Now, interactive brokers and also LYNX has all the products that you can trade with. They have access to all the ETFs and stock markets, so there is not so much difference between LYNX and interactive brokers. Now, that's the most important thing, that in markets and products they are similar. Trading platform on both of these is all right, it's nothing special, and even in interactive brokers it's more difficult to do something. Now, you're gonna see research that you can do here, and customer service again on both of these platforms is fine. Then you get safety. These two brokers are safe, and they're going to cover you up to €85,000, and that's pretty much it. So if they would go bust. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. So thank you very much, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.